Ford just did something radical. They built a truck that performs like a supercar, tows like a beast, and holds its value better than any truck on the market. The 2026 F-150 isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete game changer. But here's what most people don't realize. Buying a truck right now instead of waiting could cost you thousands in depreciation and missed features. Here are 6 compelling reasons to wait for the newest generation Ford F-150. Let's go. Number 6. Street performance returns with the F-150 Lobo. Number 6. Addresses a significant gap in Ford's lineup that's been missing for years: the street performance pickup truck market segment. Ford is making a bold return to this specialized segment with the 2026 F-150 Lobo. After successfully reviving the Lobo nameplate with the Maverick, a street-focused compact pickup that captured customer attention with its sporty aesthetics and responsive handling characteristics, Ford is now bringing that same performance philosophy to the full-size truck world. This move signals a major strategic shift in how Ford views and approaches the performance truck segment overall. Spy photos and early details reveal just how serious Ford is about this ambitious new direction. The F-150 Lobo features an aggressive front fascia with a deep lower air dam, sleek side skirts that create a planted, athletic stance, and massive 22-inch black wheels wrapped in Bridgestone Alenza Street tires, an exclusive setup unmatched by any current F-150 competitor on the market today. However, this isn't merely a styling exercise or cosmetic upgrade package. Ford plans to pair the Lobo with its most potent engine options available. The base configuration uses the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 from the Raptor lineup, generating 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. For those wanting maximum performance capability, the Raptor R's 5.2-liter supercharged V8 produces a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. This impressive powertrain selection positions the F-150 Lobo as a serious performance truck that doesn't sacrifice everyday practicality, echoing the legendary F-150 Lightning's impact from the 1990s. Number 5. Class-leading towing and payload capacity. Number 5 centers on capability, something the F-150 has always promised, but the 2026 model refined significantly through comprehensive engineering advances. Ford has engineered this generation specifically for class-leading towing and payload capacity across every trim level. The numbers speak volumes. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 delivers an impressive 13,500 pounds of maximum towing capacity, while the 5.0-liter V8 reaches 12,800 pounds. The PowerBoost hybrid variant offers 11,600 pounds of towing capacity and delivers 430 horsepower with 570 pound-feet of torque output. Payload capacity mirrors this impressive strength throughout the lineup. The EcoBoost manages 2,440 pounds, while the V8 carries 2,225 pounds, ensuring ample capacity for both commercial and recreational applications. Beyond raw numbers, Ford has added intelligent technology to enhance the entire towing experience. ProTrailer Backup Assist helps navigate tight angles while reversing trailers smoothly. ProTrailer Hitch Assist simplifies hitching procedures significantly, and an advanced smart trailer tow connector integrates seamlessly with modern trailer systems. These systems transform towing from an intimidating task into something manageable for any driver, regardless of experience level or background. Whether hauling construction materials, boat trailers, or farm equipment, the 2026 F-150 handles demanding work consistently. Number 4. Versatile powertrain lineup. Number 4 addresses the powertrain lineup comprehensively, and Ford has created something remarkable with their extensive options and flexibility. The 2026 F-150 offers the most versatile engine selection in any full-size pickup class. The lineup begins with the 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6, producing 325 horsepower while offering superior fuel economy. The 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 appeals to enthusiasts, providing 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. Moving upmarket, the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 matches the V8's 400 horsepower, but dramatically exceeds it in torque production with 500 pound-feet, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. The Power Boost hybrid system represents modern engineering excellence, pairing the 3.5-liter V6 with a 47 horsepower electric motor for combined output of 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque. This configuration extends driving range to approximately 704 miles on a single tank, while including ProPower onboard technology, effectively transforming the truck into a mobile power generator. Every engine pairs with Ford's smooth 10-speed automatic transmission for optimal performance throughout all driving conditions. Number 3. Refined interior technology and comfort. Number 3 focuses on the cabin experience, an area where Ford has invested heavily in recent years without abandoning the practicality truck owners expect. The 2026 model continues refining this balance with thoughtfully updated technology. Ford's infotainment system operates faster and more intuitively than previous models. The 12-inch digital cluster and 12-inch touchscreen feature wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity seamlessly integrated. Higher trims include a premium Bang and Olufsen 14-speaker audio system, wireless phone charging, and refined interior materials, blending toughness with sophistication. Cab configurations maintain versatile approaches for different needs. The regular cab seats 3 passengers. The Super Cab accommodates 6 comfortably, while the Super Crew provides maximum rear comfort and spacious seating for families. Bed options measure 21.4 inches deep and 51.1 inches wide, available in 5.5, 6.5, or 8-foot lengths, allowing buyers to prioritize their specific requirements perfectly. Number 2. Unmatched versatility. Number 2 emphasizes versatility, the fundamental reason the F-150 maintains best-selling pickup status consistently year after year. No other pickup truck offers as many configurations or capability variations available today. The 2026 F-150 recognizes that truck buyers have fundamentally different priorities. Some need maximum cargo capacity for construction work, while others prioritize passenger comfort for family travel. Work-focused trims deliver industrial-grade durability, perfect for job sites. Luxury models bring premium features rivaling high-end SUVs, and off-road variants add specialized suspension and terrain management systems for challenging terrain. Number 1. Exceptional long-term value. Number 1 addresses ownership value extending far beyond the initial purchase price. The 2026 F-150's real value emerges through exceptional resale retention, with the truck holding its value better than virtually any competing pickup in the market. This superior resale value results from Ford's proven reliability reputation, consistent consumer demand, and widespread acceptance across work and personal use sectors. Whether you keep your F-150 for 3 years or 13 years, your investment stays significantly protected compared to competitors. Ford's unmatched service network spans the entire country with expert technicians and genuine parts always nearby, keeping maintenance costs predictable and downtime minimal. Subscribe for more detailed truck comparisons and automotive analysis content today.